Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today I've got this set of batteries. It's supposed to be 3 batteries from Vemico. It's 3 batteries and a charger for the GoPro. Fits the GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7 black. I've also heard that it works on the 8, but I don't have an 8 to test it on. To be sure, I do have a Hero 9. That's what is recording right here. But the batteries will not work in the 9, so maybe I can get one of those to check later to do a test. But right now, I'm going to open this up. I want to charge the batteries up, and then I want to see how long the battery will run on the GoPro Hero 7 Black while it's recording. So the first thing I'm going to do is take it out of this box. And it's kind of hard to get this out of here, so I may just have to unpeel it to get it open. Like that. So we have our warranty card. We have the charger. And it comes with 3 of the batteries. Open one of the batteries up here so we can look at the specs on it. And as we can see here, it shows that it is 1500 milliamp hour. So we'll test this thing and see how long this will run it after I've full charged all the batteries. I'll put it in here, set it to record, and we'll see how long it actually runs this recording. Take this out of the package. So it is nicely packaged, and each battery comes in its own little case, which is a nice way to keep the batteries and store them. And then we have a charging cable, and the charging cable on the end that plugs into the charger is USB-C, which is good, which means your GoPro cable would work on it too. And then we'll just plug this into USB. Alright, so on the charger we have 3 green lights, and then when we insert the batteries, we insert them like this right here with the contacts facing away from the green light. You insert them, the light turns red, and when these are fully charged, those lights will turn green. So we got them plugged in, making contact. We'll wait till all the lights turn green, and when they turn green, then we can do the test and see how it works. So I'll be back whenever they're charged. Okay, so now we're charged up. It took actually about an hour. I don't know exactly how low they was, but it took about an hour to charge them. They're all 3 charged. So now we can remove the original battery out of the GoPro. Okay, so this original battery is 1220 milliamp hour, and this one claims to be 1500 milliamp hour. So we'll see how long this lasts. So we will insert the battery, close the lid, and what I want to do is turn this on, and I want to set it to record, and I'm going to be recording at 1080p 60 frames per second wide, and we're going to see how long it records. I'm going to start the stopwatch over here. Okay, so we're going to start record, start the stopwatch, and we're going to see how long this thing runs. It'll beep and let me know whenever the battery is dead and it shuts off. So we'll let this thing go and see how long it records. Okay, so it shut off, and it shut off exactly at 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now I actually had it on record 1080p 60 frames per second, and I went ahead and aimed it toward the TV so it would have something, some motion, some light and colors going on. One thing cool about this charger is that you can also charge your standard GoPro batteries. Plug them in. You see that it's charging this one. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and charge up the original GoPro battery put it in here, do the same test, and see how long it runs. And we can kind of compare the Vemico batteries against the standard GoPro batteries and see which one's the best. So we'll go ahead and get this charged up, stick it in there, and we'll start the test on that. Okay, so here we're starting this up. Got a brand new, you can see 100% charged original GoPro battery. Got it set on 1080p 60 frames per second, and we're going to start the recording on this one, and we're going to start the timer also. We're going to reset the timer on my watch, start recording, start on the timer, and we'll see how long this one will record, and I'll aim it toward the TV just like I did the other one. Okay, I just got done testing this one, and this is kind of hard to believe, but it lasted exactly the same amount of time as the other one, an hour and 30 minutes. So actually these are pretty impressive. For $28 you get 3 batteries and the charger and the cable. So really, for the amount of time, this lasts exactly the same amount of time as the OEM GoPro battery. This is a lot better deal because these are about 20 bucks a piece. This is $28 for 3. So really good deal. I'll put a link to my Amazon store where you can check these out below. What we'll do is use these from now on for a while to keep testing them, and then I'll do a long-term review later. But so far, so good. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Right on.